This election is a very clear fight between people who love India, people who want India to progress, and people who don't want India to progress. As the elections are happening, we are seeing the statements being made by all the India alliance parties. An attack in Kashmir against our armed forces, we all treat that as an attack against the soul of our country. I am very grateful to our Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva ji. You see, the President himself has come in our costume in Vesti. This shows the spirit of Bharatiya Janata Party.
Former Chief Minister of Punjab, Charanjit Singh Channi, has termed as a stunt what happened yesterday with the Air Force convoy.
Sir, we all know this election is a very clear fight between people who love India, people who want India to progress, and people who don't want India to progress. As the elections are happening, we are seeing the statements being made by all the India alliance parties. An attack in Kashmir against our armed forces, we all treat that as an attack against the soul of our country. Somebody is there in the border willing to sacrifice their life for us. Now what has happened in India, there is a group of people who are enjoying all the political powers, who are getting protected by our armed forces stationed in the border, whose sacrifices is helping us to sleep peacefully at night, and they demean their sacrifice at every given opportunity. We have seen this even during the start of the elections. We are seeing it now. It is a cowardly statement. Any person who believes that the soul of this country is under attack will not say this. Anybody who is sacrificing their life in Kashmir is sacrificing it for the motherland. He doesn't differentiate on base of caste, creed, language, north, south, east, west. It is very unfortunate. I believe it's a very cowardly statement that is being made by all these political party netas.
What will you say about this program which is happening in Talkatora Stadium? It's an outreach program to Tamilians.
I am very grateful to our Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva ji. You see, the President himself has come in our costume in Vesti. This shows the spirit of Bharatiya Janata Party, which respects every single custom, all language speaking people, and whichever part of Bharat they are from. I'm extremely delighted and happy the state president has chosen to organize an event of this nature, bring all the Tamil community from different parts of Delhi, honor them with the traditional cultural dance, cultural performance, and also invite our candidates who are contesting in all the 7 parliamentary constituencies and one place, bringing the candidate and helping us to do an outreach. We all know our Tamil population in Delhi, they're extremely nationalist. They always stand with BJP, they always stand with Narendra Modi ji, and 2024 will also be of the similar nature. But this time we are also determined, since the elections in Tamil Nadu are over, our leaders and our cadres are coming towards Delhi. We will be visiting all our Tamil brothers and sisters there, and we'll be making sure that every single Tamil brother and sister who's in Delhi now will vote for BJP candidate, because our language, culture and custom, nobody has given the utmost respect like how our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has done. Even you look at the spirit of our Delhi Adhyaksh. So we are extremely delighted and honored. Normally if you see the Dravidian parties, they say, oh, Tamils are not respected anywhere outside Tamil Nadu. Now after Modi ji has come, you are seeing Tamils are respected across the world. Right from United Nations, this is a capital city. And the state president has chosen to take one full day from morning to the evening, is doing all the kinds of events to bring all our Tamil population together. We are extremely delighted this is happening, and of course we are very, very sure and confident that all the 7 candidates, wherever Tamil population is residing, 100% they are going to stand behind our BJP candidates.
What kind of message you are giving to Delhiites, especially the Tamilians which are living? आप क्या मैसेज देंगे?
हमारा संदेश सीधा है। हम उत्तर दक्षिण हो सकते हैं, पूर्व पश्चिम हो सकते हैं, लेकिन सबकी संस्कृति एक है। और माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में इस संस्कृति को बढ़ाने का काम किया गया है। जब काशी तमिल संगम हुआ था, तब भी आपने देखा कि बाबा विश्वनाथ के कॉरिडोर में जाकर जिस तरह से तमिल भाई बहनों ने पूजा अर्चना की थी, और जिस तरह जब श्री राम मंदिर की प्राण प्रतिष्ठा हुई तो खुद माननीय मुख्यमंत्री रामेश्वर धाम गए और वहां पूजा अर्चना की। तो ये जो संस्कृतियों का संगम है, ये एक भारत है, एक भारतीयता है, जिसको माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी अपने हर एक्ट में सबको दिखाते हैं। हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि जितने भी हमारे तमिल भाई बहन हैं दिल्ली में, ये दिल्ली सबकी है, ये देश सबका है, तो हम भी सब मिलकर देश की प्रगति में अपना योगदान दें। वो उत्तर भारतीय हो, दक्षिण भारतीय हो, पूर्वोत्तर का हो, इससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन सबकी सोच एक होनी चाहिए, वो है भारतीयता, संस्कृति। वो माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में हम उसमें काम कर रहे हैं।
Thank you for talking to us. With camera person Anil in Delhi, it's Ram Kinkar Singh for India Today.